하나 찍어볼게. 여기 한 번 더 찍어야 돼. 저거를 약간 동영상을 살짝 찍어야 돼요. 아.
The night with her, sprinkle one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love.